Hi, I'm Brian, and today we'll be talking about the March-June 2017 F5 paper, which is published on the ACCA Global website. We are only looking at section C, question 31, and we are first going to deal with part A. Calculate the material variances in as much detail as the information allows. So first of all, we're going to look at the question material and we're going to take out all the information which is not relevant. So the first two lines are not really relevant. It's just some background. Okay, here is where the important bits are. Each new dress now requires 2.2 meters of material, which is 10% more than the previous style of dress. This is important. A new material has been chosen by GPST, which costs only 2.85 per meter and 5% cheaper than the material previously used. This is also important. And the total amount of material used and purchased, this is actual purchases at that price, is 54560 meters. This is also important. The rest of it, this part seems to be about labor. We're going to cross that out. Not very important. Activity levels are important, but whenever we're talking about planning and operational, the examiner prefers us to use actual. So this part here we're going to cross out. It's not important to us. And this part here we are going to highlight because this is important to us. The production manager at SU is responsible for purchasing. There's a lot of text here. I see no numbers. This is calculate, so not important. I'm going to strike through. So whatever is highlighted, that's the information which is useful for part A. Calculate the material variances. So material variances, there are two types. There are planning and there's operational. So you will need to calculate planning operational variances for price as well as usage. So in this video, I'm only going to do it for price and I will do usage in another video. So let's take a look at my working sheet over here and let's extract the information which is important to us. So first of all, the first most important thing I have is I have a price of, we need to find the standard price or the budgeted price. The standard price is given in the question as 2.85 per meter and it is 5% cheaper than the material previously used. So this is 95% of 100. So we're going to divide that by 95%. That should give us $3. This is the budgeted or standard price. The revised price is given in the question as 2.85, as this has been revised, it's given, and you will need to find your actual price. But in this particular scenario, the actual price is also 2.85. How do I know this? Because they say in February, the total amount of material used and purchased at this price, see here, at this price was 54560 meters. So we also know that the actual price is given. You are given an actual quantity of 54560 meters. So from here, we are first going to calculate our material price planning variance. Now the planning variance is the difference between the standard price and the revised price. Okay, so we're going to take $3 or whichever one you want to start with minus 2.85 and you're going to multiply that by the actual quantity. The examiner prefers that we use actual quantity. That will give you a variance of 8184 favorable. Now, where does the favorable come from? The favorable comes from here. Your revised price is cheaper than your standard price. That means you are actually, when you buy at the revised price, you are actually saving money. That's a good thing. So we have found our material price planning variance of 8184 favorable, and we're now going to move on to the second one, which is the material price operational variance. The operational variance is the difference between the revised price and the actual price. But as you can see over here, there is no difference. So if there is no difference, the formula will look like this. it'll be 2.85 minus 2.85. So some of you will already know what the answer looks like. Multiply by 54560 meters, which gives us an operational price variance of nil, 0. Okay, so that's how you calculate the material price and the material price planning and operational variance. My next video will talk about the material usage variances. Thank you.